Do you want to speak English in daily life? In this video, you will learn simple sentences about home, food, school, shopping, and feelings. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and let's start. I wake up early. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I put on my clothes. I put on my clothes. I have breakfast. I have breakfast. I wear my shoes. I wear my shoes. I go to school. I go to school. I enter the class. I enter the class. I open my bag. I open my bag. I wait for my friend. I wait for my friend. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. I sit on the bus. I sit on the bus. I stand at the door. I stand at the door. I read a book. I read a book. I write my name. I write my name. I learn English. I learn English. I close my book. I close my book. I have a pen. I have a pen. I need a pencil. I need a pencil. I ask a question. I ask a question. I answer slowly. I answer slowly. I listen to the teacher. I listen to the teacher. I see my friend. I see my friend. I hear a phone. I hear a phone. I call my father. I call my father. I call my mother. I call my mother. I read a message. I read a message. I send a message. I send a message. I turn off my phone. I open the app. My phone. I buy bread. I buy bread. I buy milk. I buy milk. I need a bag. I need a bag. I pay with cash. I pay with cash. I like this shirt. I like this shirt. I try on shoes. I try on shoes. I go to the doctor. I go to the doctor. I feel sick. I feel sick. I have a headache. I have a headache. I need medicine. I need medicine. I go home. I go home. I am tired. I am tired. I drink tea. I drink water. I drink water. I am hungry. I am hungry. I cook rice. I cook rice. I cut an apple. I cut an apple. I eat an apple. I eat an apple. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor. I open the window. I open the window. I read a message. I read a message. I call my friend. I call my friend. I talk to my friend. I talk to my friend. I love my family. I love my family. Great job! Now you know many simple English sentences for daily life. Listen to this video again. Repeat every sentence and try to use them today. The more you practice, the better you speak. Keep learning, keep speaking, and see you in the next video.